All right, so in this very quick video, what I'm going to do is show how I'm going to baby-proof some of these cords and power adapters. Our little girl has learned to actively crawl and walk and stand on her own and support, and we've caught her several times here trying to pull on this, one time playing with the cord, and obviously it's a choking hazard and an electrical hazard at the same time. So what I'm going to do, again, you certainly don't need to do it, but this is the best way that I think that I can do this, is I don't need to take this with me everywhere to travel. I've got a second adapter. So what I'm going to do is put a hole at the very top and take these two zip ties that I've got and wrap it around and zip tie this to this device. So you can't pull it out. It's adhered to the table. Additionally, I'm going to also do the same thing with the cord and zip tie the cord next to it so that she can't pull the cord at the same time. So let's just go straight to it. So the first thing I'm going to do is remove this breast pump and rubber band. Okay, beautiful. All right, so the second thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put a hole as carefully as I can, just right above here. Beautiful. And I'm certainly not in the habit of wanting to drill holes in my furniture, but there we go. Clean out there. But you know, when it comes to safety, obviously this will work great. All right. So the next thing I'm going to do is plug this in, and I'm going to wind this cord, as you can see, up to the point where she'll have just enough slack for her breast pump to be able to move all the way around, but not enough more unless, you know, this thing gets pulled off. All right. So I think that's plenty good. Yeah. Okay. And then through that hole that I just created, right, I'm going to take this zip tie, put it there, and then I have got two of them. I anticipated that I would need something a little bit longer. Beautiful. Feel it back here, and there we go. Hope you can see that all right. But all I'm doing is I'm zip tying this. Okay, so pull down on both ends, make sure they've got some good, and then what I'm going to do, just to ensure that we've got enough clearance, it'll plug this breast pump back in. Typically it's used here, kind of around there. I almost think I've got too much slack, but that's okay if it's a little bit. And then now the goal is going to be for me to make this tough. Let me see. In fact, I don't think this cord will work now. That's okay. I've got an idea. So pull this in nice and tight, and it's really good right there. All right. And then I'm going to cut this flush. Here we go. And let me make sure there's no, yeah, see, it's not sharp because you don't want someone to cut themselves pulling on this. It's very flat. Excellent. Same with this. Just feeling right there. Beautiful. And it's, yeah, it's not sharp there at all. Excellent. So now what we have is this is nice and secure. She's not going to be able to pull it out. Certainly I could put another hole if I needed it nice and secure. Now the only thing that I see is I didn't anticipate that there'd be a cavity for this, right? So technically this is too easy to pull out, but I've got a fix for that. I've got another zip tie. So what I will do is go through here and just zip tie. I can get this. There we go. Maybe. Zip tie. Beautiful. Zip tie the wire now in this manner. Keep it nice and flat if I can. And then I'll just crank it down. All right, excellent. We just pull on this and push down on that, and we should be good. Oh, yeah. All right, that feels pretty dang secure. Let me see if I can get one more. All right. It's amazing how strong babies' hands are, and they're clever. So, you know, just for the heck of it, I'm going to literally do one more. See if I've got just enough room. I'm going to do one more. Put it here. There we go. Zip tie around this because she is so clever and knows what and where to pull. There we go. Excellent. And I'm going to move. All right. And what I'm going to do is cut this. All right. And again, it doesn't feel bad at all, but just for the heck of it, again, just being the ultra safe parent as you can be, I'm going to rub on this a little bit. Yeah, that's super smooth now. Sorry for the shakiness on the camera. Okay, there's not really any rough spots, but let's not take too much of the chance. Baby's hands are a bit different. Okay, yeah, very smooth now. Oh, and let me cut that one down here. All right, so thank you for watching. As you can see, this was pretty straightforward, simple. If it doesn't work, if she finds a way, or if I have to find yet another improvement, we'll see. But at this time, looks like all I'm going to do is put my tools away and vacuum this up a little bit. But as you can see, now she should be relatively safe from trying to pull on this. And we've got, yeah, that's super tight now. And then we've got just enough slack, and certainly she won't pull on this, because my concern was she could pull on this and then touch one of these electrified poles. So thanks again for watching.